Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to simplify your cooking and elevate your stir-fries, the ABOOFAN Non-Stick Skillet Small Pan. This isn't just another pan, it's pitched as a versatile wok with a comfortable handle and a flat bottom, designed for everyday use. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what this ABOOFAN pan is trying to be. It's marketed as a wok, and specifically a small wok. The dimensions, 36 by 20 by 7.5 centimeters, tell us it's compact, which is great for smaller kitchens or for cooking single servings or smaller portions. The non-stick aspect is crucial here. A good non-stick surface means less oil, easier cleanup, and food that slides right off. This is a big draw for anyone who wants to cook healthier or just spend less time scrubbing pots and pans. The materials are noted as iron and wood. The iron construction is a classic choice for woks, known for its durability and excellent heat retention. It suggests this pan is built to last. The wood handle, on the other hand, is usually there for ergonomics and to stay cooler to the touch, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even when the pan is hot. The flat bottom design is also noteworthy. While traditional woks often have round bottoms, a flat bottom makes this pan much more compatible with a wider range of stovetops, including induction, which is a significant advantage for many home cooks. It also provides more stability on the cooktop. The features list highlights its versatility. It's described as suitable for home use, restaurants, hotels, and even outdoor use, noting it can be placed directly on a grill. This broad range of applications suggests it's intended to be a go-to pan for many cooking situations. The ergonomic and smooth handle is repeatedly mentioned, reinforcing its focus on user comfort and ease of movement. It's also touted as being easy to clean, saving time and effort, and making you love cooking. The description emphasizes rapid and uniform heat conduction, ensuring the bottom doesn't deform when heated. This is vital for consistent cooking results. It's also presented as a good gift idea for housewarmings. Now, let's break down the pros and cons as I see them based on these details. On the positive side, the compact size makes it ideal for individuals, couples, or those with limited kitchen space. The non-stick coating, if effective, will be a major convenience for both cooking and cleaning. The combination of iron and wood for the body and handle offers a blend of durability and comfort. The flat bottom makes it incredibly practical for modern kitchens, especially those with induction cooktops. Its multifunctional nature, from stir-frying to boiling and steaming, adds to its value. And of course, ease of cleaning is always a big win. The idea that it can be used on a grill also opens up some interesting outdoor cooking possibilities. However, there are a few potential considerations. While it's called a wok, its smaller size and flat bottom mean it won't perfectly replicate the high heat, rapid tossing cooking experience of a traditional, large, rounded carbon steel wok. For serious wok cooking aficionados, this might feel a bit limited. The term non-stick can also be tricky. The longevity and effectiveness of non-stick coatings vary greatly, and the durability of the iron base beneath it will be key to its long-term performance. Also, while the iron is durable, it can be heavier than some other pan materials, though this is generally offset by the ease of use with a comfortable handle. The wood handle, while ergonomic, will require careful cleaning and might not be as durable as a metal handle if exposed to excessive moisture or high heat over time. In conclusion, the ABOOFAN Non-Stick Skillet Small Pan appears to be a well-thought-out cookware accessory for the everyday home cook. It prioritizes convenience with its non-stick surface, ergonomic handle, and easy cleaning. Its flat bottom makes it incredibly versatile for various stovetops, and its compact size is a boon for many households. While it might not be the ultimate tool for a master wok chef, for those looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and multifunctional pan for daily cooking, stir-frying, and more, this ABOOFAN pan certainly presents a compelling option. It strikes a good balance between modern convenience and traditional cooking needs. Link in the description.